Welcome to our short guide on leveraging ChatGPT for content creation and driving traffic to monetized websites. First, identify your niche. It could be technology, lifestyle, health, finance, or any other area that sparks your interest. Next, use ChatGPT to generate content ideas. This could be blog topics, social media posts, or trending topics in your niche. Once you have your topics, use ChatGPT to draft quality articles, engaging posts, or informative guides. Remember, SEO optimization is key to drive traffic. Include relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and SEO-friendly titles in your content. For social media, use ChatGPT to draft responses to comments or interactive posts to boost engagement. Plan and schedule your content regularly. Consistency is key in audience building. You can also use ChatGPT to create promotional materials like newsletters or digital brochures. Monitor your website's traffic using analytics tools and use ChatGPT to analyze feedback. This will help you understand what content works best. Keep your content fresh by revising older posts with new information. Finally, integrate monetization strategies like affiliate marketing, ads, sponsored content, or selling digital products. Use ChatGPT to subtly include these elements in your content. By following these steps and regularly updating your strategy based on analytics, you can effectively use ChatGPT for content creation and driving traffic to your monetized websites. Remember, maintain high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your audience.